Hey guys, Magda Tatiana, and welcome back to my channel, Womb Whispers Truth. Here we are for the unboxing of this beautiful baby of mine that I have, my MacBook Pro 16-inch 2019 edition. So as you guys can see here, I'm being very creative because I couldn't find regular scissors, and I'm using my garden scissors or pliers. So finally, I'm opening this. I ordered it. It came very quickly. The shipment was only like 2 days. And look, even in this quarantine time where we have to stay home, it came, right? So I'm going to share this experience opening up right now. I'm so excited. So this MacBook Pro, I got it in the color silver. Yes, there were two options, space gray or silver. And yeah, you can see silver was the one that called me. Right? So I'm not gonna act like I know all these big words or terminology to explain the MacBook that I got, but I'm gonna be descriptive. Okay, so what you're seeing here, I'm just removing the wrapper around the computer. It came very secure. So I was, when you just get something that you wanted so bad, you just very brand new with it. That's me. So here I am. It comes with the cord that attaches to the computer for you to charge it, right? And then here there's a little envelope that gives you the MacBook Pro instructions and some warnings. And here you see the cube, the charger cube to attach. Pretty heavy, but it's very sturdy. So you notice the label, the Apple label, it looks slight different. At least on this one, the silver. But I like it. I still like it. So here I am opening up. So as soon as I open up, it start to program itself, right? So I have to get ready to do this. Literally, I'm doing this on my own, so I'm very proud of myself.
Press the return key.
And of course, they mentioned about changing the pads on the computer, the typing board, I mean. Okay, so these are some accessories. I got an adapter, and I also got an additional charger for my own tablet. So there we are. I'm giving you like a 3D experience of this amazing device. It is brought here to work, guys. Okay, this is really my 2020 is my year to create. Especially in a time that is by force to be home. I have nothing but time now to create. So here, I believe that now I'm about to test out the sound. Yes. Do you guys hear that? Literally, like they were talking about how the speakers is just the bomb. It really is so loud and so clear. This is something that was a bonus because I didn't purchase this for that. So it was good to see that I had that. And so even from here, these are the touch bars here where you can manage, what you're watching on YouTube, or you open any additional windows. Yeah, I like it. Some people have been complaining about it, saying that it's not necessary, but hey, it doesn't hurt. Thank you guys for joining me in opening and unboxing my MacBook Pro 16-inch. I never thought in a trillion years that I would go big, but clearly I did. The funny story with that one was that when I went to the Apple store, it was like the ending of last year. I was going there with the mind of getting a 13-inch, and I just wanted to see the pricing and everything. But honestly, I really felt that the 16-inch was looking at me and saying, "You're growing. You're growing. You're growing. Come to me." And my partner just looked at me and he felt that energy from like a few steps away from me. He was like, she is going to get the 16 inch. And I was like, oh my God, I think this is it. So I spoke to, of course, one of the sellers there, and of course he's gonna say, oh, they're gonna try to sell you and da 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 da. But I really asked the appropriate questions of the things that I needed. So, and he was really professional. He asked me, what are you trying to do with your laptop? And so I shared with him. So he gave me his expertise, and I didn't feel like I was getting God or anything. So he just pretty much gave me his insight on the information about the 16 inch and what it holds and blah, blah, blah. And when I saw, I was like, you know, if I'm going to invest this amount on a 13 inch, at least the 16 inch has all the extraness that I need. That works for me. So if you think about it, you save more getting the 16 inch. You know, that was just the logic in my brain. But anyway, guys, so this is the one I used to have. I'm gonna show you guys here. This is my 13. Okay, 13 inch. And she was very Cosmo, because you guys know I'm about the Cosmo. So I got her, and she was with me since 2013. But now I have the 16 inch, and this is the size of the 16 inch with this beside it. Okay, so this is the 13 inch besides the 16 inch. All right, so you can see the difference. All right, so this one here, she's considered vintage. I don't even recall her model or anything like that, but she's one of the very old ones. So they had told me the last time I went, they don't think that they will take her the next time she comes in. So I have my 16 inch, and I'm very grateful. I got the silver. You guys see the silver is more clear. There is a space gray, but I thought that the silver was totally me. I like light colors. You know, when I saw space gray, I just felt that it was more like masculine. And I'm a very masculine individual already, so I don't need no more masculinity towards me. So I said, let me just keep it silver, and it looks beautiful, beautiful. Especially in my space, there's already white, as you guys can see. So it fits perfectly fine. So I'm not gonna sit and act like, oh my God, like I know so much about computers, because the truth is that I don't know too much. I am going to explore and play around with this computer for the next few days. Get in tune with it. I really want to take the time to really learn the ins and outs of this computer, because it's here for work. It's not here just to look cute. It's really here for work. So I'm excited, and I will come back within maybe 2 weeks and tell you guys how much I learned from it, and show you some tricks that I probably learned. But yeah, guys, so thank you for being with me and allowing me to show you guys my 16 inch. Do I think it's worth it? I can't say that right now, but at least the pricing compared to the 13 inch, I think it is worth it. But we will see the coming 2 weeks if it really is worth every dime. Okay, I'll be back. Thank you. Have a good night. Oh yeah, guys, don't forget to subscribe.